welcome all, and as you can see from the video, I've started a how-to series where basically I'm going to teach you how to basically ride, and we're going to start with gears. I was going to do motorbike controls, but we'll do that in the second episode just because somebody came into my TikTok live and recommended that I do gears first because he's had over 500 DMs of people asking. So we're going to go through it. I'm not going to put anything up on screen or fill it with fancy GIFs and images. I'm just going to talk and show. So for those who don't know how to ride a motorbike and you're going for a CBT and you might be a little bit worried knowing that there's no training for it, the day is training itself and it's pass or fail, depending how safe you are, you might not know how a motorcycle works. So I'm going to go basic controls because we'll go over all that in episode 2. But basic controls, this is your clutch. You have to pull in the clutch to change gears. It's as simple as that. You have to pull in the clutch and change gears. Your gear lever is on the left hand side down here. It is this. Now, motorbikes work on a sequential gearbox. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly because I'm autistic as fuck. But they work on a sequential gearbox where basically what that means is rather than a car where you can pull the clutch in and drop from 5th to 3rd, you have to click through each layer of the gearbox, every single gear. So it starts in neutral, just like a car would, where you're not in any gear, and then you'll pull the clutch in and you'll kick down for 1. So first gear is down. We'll get into GP shifters and things like that. That's a whole different ball game. We'll get into them another time. But on your basic stock bike, you're going to pull in the clutch and kick down for first gear. First gear is your pulling gear, and that's just for you to pull away and set off. You're then going to kick up into second gear. So down for first, up for second. Now neutral is half a gear between first and second. It's the middle ground. You only tap gently to get back into neutral. So you want a full kick up rather than a half kick. So down into first, up into second, up into third, up into fourth, up into fifth, up into sixth if your bike has 6 gears. And that's how the gearing system works. Think of it as a tiered system where it's neutral, 1, neutral, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how it works. So we're going to ride. Unfortunately, I don't have a camera mount to put down there to show you what I'm doing. So I might ask one of them to film it on my phone later so I can show you. But I'm going to show you how to click up through the gears. Just a basic introduction to motorcycles. So this is a Yamaha MT-07. It's a naked bike. And we're going to go through the gears. So side stand up. Pull the clutch in, just because I always do. Start the bike. That is it. We're in neutral, so you see the end light. We're going to pull the clutch in. And we're going to kick down, so foot over it, we're going to kick down into first. And that is it, we're in first gear. And you want to slowly let the clutch out. No throttle, so this is your throttle, for those who don't know. No throttle, you're just going to slowly move away. That's it, you're in first gear. If you're wanting to go back into neutral, you want to come to a stop. Half a click back up, the neutral lights come on, let the clutch out. And that is it. That's it. You've gone from first to neutral, or neutral to first and first to neutral. Back into first, give it some throttle, slowly let the clutch out till the bike starts pulling. First is just a pulling gear, so you're going to shift up into second, and then you just cruise. Just cruise along, and that is it. I don't know if you can see, but we're going to shift into third. So we're going to be going along, we're going to pull the clutch in and kick up into third gear. And that is it, we're in third gear. As you can see by the gear indicator on the LCD screen. Then we can go to 4th, 5th and 6th. There's 6th gear. Now when you go up in your gears, your revs are going to go down. When you go down in gears, your revs are going to go up. So we're in 3,000, 3.5, 4,000. Drop down because we're braking. Slowly let the clutch out, stays at 3. Now if you watch, I'm going to get a bit of speed and I'm going to go up the gears. If you watch the rev counter on there, it's going to drop. So if I hold it steady at 4,000, we'll go 4,500. We're going to gear up into second and I'm still holding the throttle the same. We're now just under 4. So the rev range changes completely. And then again, if you hold the throttle the same, we're supposed to let off the throttle, but if you let off the throttle, downshift and open the throttle back up, we've just jumped from 3.5 to 5,000 revs. So it's a completely different rev range within each gear, meaning you're going to really struggle to set off in 6th gear. So any questions, leave a comment. If you want to know anything about motorcycles, let me know and I'll make a video on it. Happy days.